What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Veronica and I do videos on motherhood, cleaning, and organization. And today's video is another Vlogmas video, this time on a Poundland Christmas shopping haul. Now, I popped into Poundland to pick up one or two items, and I was so surprised by how many quality Christmas decorations they actually had. So I ended up getting most of our Christmas decorations, other than the ones that we already had, from Poundland. So today is kind of like a mini Poundland Christmas decor haul. And hopefully, if you have not already picked up all of your Christmas supplies and your Christmas decorations, you'll see a couple of items in today's video that will give you a little bit of inspiration. And of course, just like the name suggests, most things that I picked up were £1. A couple of things were a little bit more expensive, but I will show you that right now. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Now, as a reminder, I went in to purchase Christmas decorations, and of course, the very first thing that I saw was something that was Christmas related, but not necessarily a decoration. And that was these jeans. These are so cute. Now, they're kind of Christmas themed. As you can see, they've got this little bow here, and they've got like the little interior Christmassy pattern as well. And I picked these up because they actually have a fleece lined interior, which is going to be so warm and cozy. And of course, they had some Christmas jumpers as well, which I could not resist picking up. This reindeer jumper is just the cutest thing ever. And again, this one was only £5. And I thought, you know what, for a 10-pound outfit, it was definitely worth it. And they go really, really great together. So I think this is going to be really, really cute. I got them in 9 to 12 months, and they look like they're pretty true to size, maybe a little bit on the smaller side. So couldn't resist these. Technically, they're on theme because they are Christmas related, but I just thought these were adorable. Now, the main thing, like I said, that I went in to purchase were actually Christmas decorations because we just put up our tree, as you can see behind me. But I needed some extra Christmas decorations, and I thought Poundland would be the perfect place to pick some new things up. The very first things I came across were actually gift wrapping, gift boxes, those types of things. And these can be quite pricey if you're getting them from like even Sainsbury's or other places like that. This is a 2-pack of bottle gift bags, and I got them in red with a gold Christmas tree on it and a green one with writing that says cheers on it. Now, I don't know if the color comes across on camera, but these are a really, really beautiful deep green, like a hunter green color with the gold writing. It's very, very pretty. And this one, again, is a beautiful deep red color, which I absolutely love. Now, these are perfect if you are seeing someone over the holidays and you want to just give them a nice gift, give them a bottle of champagne or a bottle of wine. These are perfect to have on hand. And these were £1 each, and they come in a pack of 2. Along the same lines of gift wrapping, I got these Christmas gift bags. Again, these come in a pack of 2. And I just thought these were so chic. They say don't open until December 25th, so no Christmas Eve gift opening over here. And they came in 2 sizes, like a medium-sized bag and a smaller-sized bag. And again, these are the perfect types of bags to go under your Christmas tree for things that are a little bit awkward to wrap. So these I thought were a fantastic deal. Gift bags can be so expensive. Another fantastic deal for Christmas decorations and Christmas wrapping were these gift boxes. They come 2 in a pack. As you can see, they're not huge. They're almost the same size as my hand, give or take. But again, these are perfect boxes. And in fact, I might go back and get a couple more because these will be great for wrapping things that are a little bit awkward or that don't come with their own gift box or something along those lines. As you can see, they've actually got writing already on them. So you don't need to wrap these if you don't want to. You can just put whatever gift is inside and set this directly under the tree, and you are ready to go. This was a fantastic deal at just £1. This I highly recommend. They are so sturdy and they look really, really quality and really well made. So for the price, these really cannot be beat. Back on the decorations, these were so cute, and these are little kind of decorative pine cones. Now, of course, I am going for like a simplistic, not too OTT, like Christmas decoration setup, but I couldn't resist these. These are going to be perfect for putting on the tree as a little bit of extra decoration. I'm probably going to leave these in a vase as well, just to give it a little bit more of a Christmas vibe around the apartment. And these types of things are perfect to give your apartment or your home an extra little Christmassy touch. These are a little bit Scandi, kind of Nordic inspired themes, but I think these are really, really cute. You can can do a lot of fantastic DIYs with these. Another thing I picked up from Poundland were these suction hooks. These are extremely useful because they will allow you to kind of hang decorations around your place without having to put nails in your walls. A lot of times I use command hooks, but command hooks and command strips can actually be quite pricey. And these come with 20 in a pack, and you can use this to hang up fairy lights, you can hang up Christmas lights, you can hang up decorations in general. You can pretty much use these anywhere. And of course, the benefit of these is that you don't just have to use them for Christmas decorations. You will probably be able to repurpose these for other things throughout the year. So at £1 for 20 hooks altogether, I thought this was a pretty good bargain. Another decorative piece that I got was this little dome. Again, we are going for a relatively simple, mostly kind of Nordic style for our decorations this year. And I just thought this was absolutely adorable. It was just £1, so totally worth it. It's a little dome with 2 Christmas looking trees inside. Now, I will give a disclaimer on this. There were about 15 or 20 of these on display, and I had to hunt through the big pile of them to get one that was not damaged, wasn't cracked, or the base wasn't coming off. So even this one is a little bit damaged. It's got a little light inside as well though, which I think is going to look really, really nice once it is lit up at night with all of the other Christmas decorations. The next item I got were these fairy lights. Now, I picked these up specifically because they are battery operated. So these will be fantastic for putting on a tree or putting on some kind of decoration in an area that you don't have a mains plug available. Now for me, this is my entryway mantelpiece because I have a radiator cover in there, but there is no electrical outlet right by it. So I definitely plan to use this in my entryway where there is no plug. For the price, these were fantastic. And of course, the most important thing for me when choosing lights this year was I wanted warm white. Now, I have other lights that are not warm white. They're like that bright snow white, and it's not the vibe that we're going for this year. So these are going to fit perfectly in with all of the other lights that I already have. Another decorative item that I got, which I'm going to try to show you because it's so big, I don't think it's going to fit on camera, is this Santa sack. Now, I already have a Santa sack. I believe actually it was from Poundland as well. I got it a couple of years ago, but these are really, really great. This is a jute sack that you can just fill with presents, or you can fill with decorations or anything that you want, and it makes your house look super Christmassy, and it just kind of elevates the Christmas vibe of your decoration game. They're a really good way to add a decorative item, but it's also super practical because you can put things inside of it. The one I have from a few years ago already has some decorations in it that I'm kind of hiding, but this one I'm probably going to put presents in. Of course, you cannot have Christmas without after eights. These for me just scream holidays, Christmas, festive period, and I couldn't resist picking some up. I'm definitely going to be having a couple in the evening while I'm watching my shows and watching Christmas movies and listening to Christmas music. Nothing makes your evening more festive than some after eights. These last items that I picked up are probably the ones I am most excited about. When I saw them, I knew I was going to get them, and they are these decorations. And they are probably meant to be used on the Christmas tree or around the house, but I plan to use them for Christmas gift wrapping. Now, I tend to be a little over the top when it comes to my Christmas wrapping. I love making Christmas gifts look extra special, and for me, it is so nice to add little extras to the packages, and these are going to be ideal. Another item that I picked up with gift wrapping in mind were these cinnamon sticks. For me, cinnamon sticks are really super festive. They just are so Christmassy, and I love using these on Christmas gift wrapping as well. I usually kind of tie a little bow and tuck a few of these in, and it makes it just feel so wintry and so festive. So I'll definitely be using these for Christmas gift wrapping, but I'll probably also just do some little DIY decorations around the house as well. Okay, y'all, that is all for my Poundland haul. Like I said, I was going in mainly to get Christmas decorations, so I'm pretty proud of myself for sticking to at least the theme of Christmas for everything I picked up. All in all, this was a very, very good shop because I picked up tons of really quality looking decorations at a fraction of the price of what I would have spent if I went to some of the other high street shop. So I'm very pleased with that. As you can tell, I absolutely love Christmas. I love Christmas decorations. I'm super excited to use these items that I got around the house and with my Christmas gift wrapping. Do you love wrapping Christmas gifts as much as I do? Have you already gotten started on your Christmas decorations? Let me know down in the comments below. So thank you for watching today's video. If you liked this video and if you're planning to follow along with the rest of my Vlogmas, don't hesitate to go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can follow along when I post new videos. Until next time.